If you feel a lot of noise after starting up, first of all, we need to check if there is any motor noise. If the motor is placed unevenly, it will produce noise. It is possible that the screw here is loose, which is causing it. Then we need to level it out, make the entire motor horizontal. Second, we need to check if the pulley is shaking. Is the pulley installed properly? Third, we need to check if the belt is too loose or too tight. Before testing the belt, be sure to shut down the device. Check after shutting down, then press the belt with your hand. Check if the belt is loose or too tight. We can adjust the screw. Adjust its elasticity to a moderate level. In this way, it will also reduce noise. Fourth, when you feel that the noise of the machine is quite loud, we can also investigate. Check if the compressor is shaking. If the compressor shakes, it is necessary to check every screw of the compressor. Are the screws tightened? Fifth, we need to check if it's a condenser. Is the screw of the condenser loose? Because there is a fan behind the condenser, we need to check if there is a collision between the fan blades and the casing, so resulting the sound. Sixth, we need to check if the position of the fan is correct. Check if there is a collision between the fan blades and the casing of the fan. If there are, the fan needs to be replaced. This is the fundamental cause of noise.